Great achievements always begin with a plan. But to succeed, you need more than a plan. You need great execution. So what if you were given a tool to turn ideas into action? Introducing SuccessFactors Business Execution Suite, BizX. No matter how big or small your company, no matter what you do or how you do it, BizX is the bridge between strategy and success. Nothing's more valuable than finding the right people. And let's face it, your company's next great hire isn't out searching for a job. We give you a look into virtual job markets you didn't know existed, because we've learned their social network is your greatest resource. You set the strategy, but your people make it happen. Keep them on track with up-to-date goals and continuous feedback, so the work they do is aligned with your company's overall strategy. BizX has brought the speed of social networking tools to your communication at work. Creating work groups, posting videos, starting discussions, sharing knowledge with colleagues across the office or across the world. That's how people learn, how ideas spread and grow. Who are your superstars? Who has the skills to open that new office or close that big deal? BizX gives you the tools to truly know your workforce. So as your business needs begin to change, you'll have the right players in the right place at the right time. And we've made this entire process mobile. Because it's delivered from the cloud, BizX is always there on any platform, anywhere, anytime. So you'll never have to worry about costly infrastructure or expensive upgrades. BizX provides the missing link between strategy and success, execution. So whether your corporate goals are increased profits, faster growth, more skillful and productive employees, or all of the above, we don't just give you ideas, we give you the tool that makes it happen today.